my name is Matt Shockley, and I am the proud principal here at Avon High School. And this is going to be one of a series of times when I will be coming to you and giving you updates about the construction project, as we've entitled Making Room for More. And as you can see behind me is kind of the first phase of the project. This is where our OASIS program is going to be located. It used to be the entrance to our Avon Advanced Learning Center, and now it will be the new home of our OASIS program. And again, our OASIS program is a specialized program with students with special needs regarding academics and behavior, and they need a structured program, smaller class sizes to really meet their educational needs. And that's a program that's serving students in grades K through 12. But the facility that is being constructed behind us will be ready to go in July for the 23-24 school year. All right, behind me used to be the main entrance to the Avon Advanced Learning Center. I do also want to mention is that up on the second floor, there will be classrooms that will be added. We will have 2 art classrooms as well as 2 science classrooms. These were the ALC offices, the main entrance, as well as administrative, secretarial, and guidance offices as of a year ago. And you can see right now, all of those areas have been gutted and getting ready for the construction to begin. One part of this construction project, when it is finished, is really a renovation of our entire cafeteria space, the aesthetics, our lines, our seating arrangement to allow for better flow and efficiency, and also to increase our capacity. And one thing that will be happening in our old ALC office area, guidance office area, is we are going to be able to extend some additional seating capacity for our students in addition to what we have already. And so that is also a part of this project. This additional space can also probably be used as some flexible space that could be used throughout the school day, as well as for meetings and gatherings, whether it's during the day or evening for our community. We are now on the south side of the high school where the ALC door 19 parking lot is at, and really not much to see right now. There's just fencing, but what is to come is a building expansion to the south, which will be our new fitness area to replace our current weight training facility and advanced physical conditioning facility. There will be some additional classrooms. Wrestling room will also be added in this area as well. The tennis courts are here right now, but once we find a new home for the tennis courts, those will be relocated because that area will be used for some much needed additional parking to help with parking, but as well as traffic flow around the entire campus. So again, thank you for watching an update regarding making room for more here at Avon High School. I am really excited about the plans that we've been working on for really over the last year and a half, and excited about the opportunities that we're going to have for teachers, but especially for our students with the expansion that is occurring. So again, thanks for joining me, and stay tuned to hear more updates that are happening here at Avon High School and its construction project.